Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. It's fall, Thanksgiving is fast approaching, and what better to go with your turkey or ham than this delicious sweet potato casserole. It's got a pecan crust, delicious filling. You're going to love this, so let me walk you through it. And one other thing, it doesn't have to be Thanksgiving to make this. So let's get started. Okay guys, to kick things off here, what I've got are two fairly large sweet potatoes that I've cut up and cubed. So I'm going to boil these for about 10 minutes because I've cubed them fairly small. You can bake or roast these too, but I just find boiling is a whole lot easier. Okay, now they're done, I'm going to drain them and set them aside in a mixing bowl. Next up, I'm going to add in a quarter cup of softened butter, or this is about 37 grams. A quarter cup or 50 grams of brown sugar, a quarter cup or about 110 milliliters of heavy cream, and if you don't have a heavy cream, just go ahead and use milk. A teaspoon of vanilla extract, and you can leave this out, but I just like the flavor. A quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. You can add nutmeg or whatever you like, and if you don't have cinnamon, of course you can leave this out. Some salt, just to bring out those flavors. And last but not least, some ground black pepper. This even smells so good I can smell that cinnamon coming through. Alright, I'm going to grab up my handy dandy masher and mash this up. Now you can go ahead and transfer this into your preferred baking dish. And you know what guys, I've given this a taste test and it is so incredibly delicious. Okay, next up, let's make our crumble topping. We're going to start with a quarter cup or about 37 grams of unsalted butter, half a cup or about 45 grams of all-purpose flour, a quarter cup or about 50 grams of brown sugar. And you can use dark brown sugar too, but this is just what I had on hand. A quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. You can use more or less, depending on your taste. And last but not least, 1 cup or 125 grams of pecans, the star of the show. Pecans, however you want to say it. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and mix this up. And of course I'm mixed up already, so it doesn't much matter. This smells so good, guys. Now we're going to go ahead and sprinkle the crumble over top of our potato mixture. I can't believe how delicious this is going to be. And of course you don't want to flatten this out too much because you want it a little bit rustic. After all, it is Thanksgiving. Okay, now we're going to slip this into a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 177 Celsius, preheated oven for about 30 minutes or so. After about 30 minutes, there you have it guys, our sweet potato casserole, scrumptious delicious, ever so good. You're going to love it. So let's kind of take a peek inside here. This looks and smells so good. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. Guys, this is absolutely heavenly. You got the sweetness of the pecans. The crumble on top just makes it incredible. The potatoes are just the right texture. Absolutely delicious. You got to make this. I'm going to eat more. For the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. Thanks for subbing, thanks for watching, and see you next time.